Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to check WhatsApp backup, and it's pretty simple. So open the WhatsApp, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner, go to the settings option and go to this chat options, or you may find your backup option in your account section. So you just need to look for the options, scroll a bit down. Here you can find the option chat backup. So I just turn off my backup option. So if you need to add the backup option, you just need to give here a Google account that where you want to uh, find your all the message or videos, whatever. And you just need to turn on the options that if you want to back up your videos, you need to turn on this option, or you can need to turn on also these options. And here you can give it a frequency that if you want to back up your daily conversation, you can choose this option, or here you can find out the live options weekly, monthly, or you can choose the option that only when I tap backup. So in here you can see the option backup option. So in here you can back up your things as like videos, message, anything whenever you want. So that's it. Let me know in the comment box if you have any confusion and keep in touch with us.